So England are through to the semi-finals, so we're going to have our own penalty shootout. I've already been testing out the Dunkel, it's been fabulous, but how does it compare to a bottled version? Time to try. Lovely head, well carbonated. Still has that roasty aroma. Oh, that is now delicious. Cheers everyone. This is the Munich Dunkel. Straight off the bat, just a lot more aroma. Malty aroma, actually. In terms of colour, holding it up to the light, it just has that slight reddish hue. So, in terms of colour, we are almost identical. Now, a Dunkel is supposed to be toasty, bready, caramel, maybe toffee, and particularly the Erdinger actually is also dark fruit. My nose is not quite tuned into all of those things, but I do get a lovely roasty, I suppose that's the bready. In terms of carbonation then, very similar again, so fairly much on the nose for carbonation. We have a lovely head, it's just a slightly tan coloured head, so again very similar, goes well with the carbonation, but it's all in the taste. Again, remarkably similar, very smooth, not a huge amount of bitterness on the back, very quaffable, especially cold. On the finish, I think I am in the right ballpark. In terms of a shootout then, the colour, the carbonation, the flavour are all within the same range. But it is definitely a much stronger, roasty, lovely aroma that I did not quite get to duplicate in the homebrew version. But overall, I am pretty pleased. It's nice to compare it to a bottled version and just really see how close to the style I got. Pretty good. Cheers everyone, thanks for watching, happy homebrew, do like and subscribe, cheers! This is the Homebrew Master Plan with 15 homebrews aligned to 15 special events throughout the year. Well, the Dunkel is in the bag and it was pretty good for the style as we found out in the shootout. Look out for both outtakes and a retrospective in the near future, and in the meantime we are underway for the Olympics next month and we're going to go for a French Pilsner, my own Kronenbourg 2024. Look out for that. Cheers everyone.